Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. This is your boy Polo with Polo Fields Lawn Service. I hope that you all are having a blessed day today. Now, let me tell you all something. Look at here. If you all follow me on YouTube, you all know that when I make videos, I put music into those things, it's excitement into those things, it's information into those things, which there is going to be in this video as well. But this video is not going to be like that. So, this is what I believe. There is some major flaws in this renovation. And I believe that the Lord, my God, wanted me to go ahead and show you all. It says in Proverbs to trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding, but in all your ways acknowledge him and he will direct your paths. Lean not to your own understanding. Some things in life are not always going to go your way. If they don't go your way, get the lesson that he's trying to teach you in that situation so that you will know for the future. You may need to help someone else with that same situation that you're going through, okay? Everybody knows that our God works in mysterious ways. So I believe what he wants me to show you is the good parts in this line and show you the bad parts in this line. Because a lot of people, when they do renovations, they just automatically, yeah, I'm killing the grass, I'm starting over, the grass is all gonna germinate at the same time, and I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna stripe it up, it's gonna look good, I'm gonna take some pictures, I'm gonna take some videos, I'm gonna show my friends, show my family, everything's gonna be right. I was thinking the same thing until I came back up here and seen what was in the lawn, and I had to drive all the way home to go and change because I have to spray. So, I'm going to jump into this video. I'm going to show you all. I hope that you all get some information out of this. And let's go ahead and jump into it. So, for the most part, everything is filling in good. We do have some weeds. I'm not worried about those weeds. But everything is filling in wonderful, you all. Everything is filling in wonderful. Now, there is a few spots. I'm going to show you those spots. Here's one where the water's going down the hill and it's basically flushing the seed out. And it's going all the way down to that area down there where it's just the water settling and it's flushing the seed away. But look at it though, it's nice, it's green. We do have some spots, some edges up here where the grass didn't fill in because it's getting flushed out. Here's a major spot where the grass seed is getting flushed out, and this is why it's getting flushed out. You have a downspout right here. This downspout is going up under the concrete, and it starts right there, as you can see, and it's flushing it all the way down the hill. Now this hill here is very steep, so I didn't want to put a slit seeder on it because I didn't want it to fall over, but I did weasel the seed in, and as you can see, it filled in. So that's one of the main issues, that the grass is going down the hill. Let me show you a big one. Here's a big issue right here. You see that mycelium? That, my friends, is Pythium Blight. See it? So, you got little spots, little spots, little spots, little spots, little spots. See that mycelium? No, that's not brown patch. No, that's not dollar spot. That is Pythium. Little spots there, little spots there. You catch my drift. Now, of course, the seed still has been washing down the hill. There's a downspout right there, and it's basically coming out right over here, getting washed down the hill. Another thing that you can see in here, I don't know if you can see the tracks, but it's a mole. You see? See that? See where that mole is going up there? And it like it stopped right there. So I've been having to deal with some moles in this yard. So that's one of the main things. I'm not worried about the moles. I can take care of the moles. I'm not worried about the grass going down the hill. I can basically grow that seed and get that seed to fill in. The main thing that I don't want is something fighting against me, which is that what Pythium will do. So I'm going to spray that Pythium, and we're going to stop that from spreading. The spots that did get damaged, once it stops spreading, I'll go ahead and fill those spots in. Spraying it is the main thing right now. And it's only in one particular area on the hill up front in front of the yard. So I'm going to spray those things and we're going to stop it. So overall, this is what the lawn looks like. It's good and green. It's really filling in big time. Now, once again, like I said, you have a hill up there, a hill right here. Each one of the downspouts, when it comes out on the other end, it's washing the seed away. You can see that part right there. There's a downspout up there. There's several, of course, around the house, even right there as well. That's washing the seed away, but I'll get those. We did have the mold, and we had Pythium. The lawn is sprayed, and the only thing we can do now is just wait. We wait a little bit, we'll come back and we'll spray the Subdue Maxx again. We'll come back, we'll fill those spots in, we'll take care of those moles. But like I said, don't feel discouraged if you think that everything has to turn out perfect and it doesn't turn out perfect. This is a prime example. I wanted this lawn to look wonderful, which it does, but there are some flaws in it. Everybody got flaws. So just remember, be encouraged. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. Be encouraged. You're going to have issues sometimes. Only thing you can do is just keep pressing forward, keep your head straight, and just keep going. Keep going. This is Polo with Polo Fields Lawn Service. This is what that lawn looks like, that renovation lawn. Maybe when I come back next time, everything will be corrected, everything will be filled in, but I am going to show you. Same thing. If there are some flaws in it, I'm going to show you. If everything is filled in, I'm going to show you, because I think that you need to see that. Even the pros get flaws sometimes. Even DIYers get flaws sometimes. That's what happens. So, hey, y'all continue to have a blessed day. I hope that you all have enjoyed this. I'll see y'all next time.